everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I have a Smudge Art mirror match canvas. I am right-handed, so I have a right-handed canvas. This is a 12 by 12. We also have 8 by 8s. And if you're interested in themes, so this is the wand, we have a unicorn, and a rainbow you can also add as a pair. If you're looking for a theme to do a room with unicorns or rainbows or wands. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. And as you can see, all of our kits have paint included with a brush. And the first thing I'm going to do is trace or sketch out the other half of this wand. There are many different ways you can do this. You can freehand with a pencil. I have a ruler here so I can make a nice straight line for my wand stick. And you can also use the other side of the packaging as a stencil. So I'll show you how to do that. So you can just cut it out. And then you can line it up. So we'll trace around that. Okay, and then I'm going to use my ruler to make a nice straight line down the middle. There we go. Okay. Now this is where you can get a little creative and you don't have to exactly follow the ribbons, but I'm going to do my best. And make one ribbon. This one looks like it needs to be a little thinner. We'll do that. And then there's another ribbon coming out. And you can make as many ribbons as you would like, and they don't have to be the same, because I'm sure the ribbons on the other side don't have to match up. Okay, now I'm going to use the paint that came with the set. Okay, I'm going to make a pink star, because I like pink, but you can make it any color you want. And I'm probably going to go over this a few times because I want my star to be a little darker. And smudge art inspires you to create, but you decide how to create it. So if you want sparkles on your star, go for it. If you want your star to be yellow, go for it. If you want it to be purple, if you want to add words to this, You might put Ella's room or wishes do come true. That's what is fun about smudge art. It allows you to create whatever you want to create. And as you can see, I'm right-handed, so when I color, I'm not smudging my paint on the other side. So if you are left-handed, if I'm coloring from this side, I'm not going to smudge my paint or my drawing. All right, while that is drying, I am going to use my Sharpie paint pen to be a little more have a little more control on this wand. You can still paint it, or you can use a marker, or paint it and then trace again. Okay, and I think I'm going to make the ribbons purple. And yellow. Mix this up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to go over it again, make sure I outline it, and I'll show you the finished product.